Hi guys, today we're gonna learn about how to create a public and private key using Kleopatra. For that, first we need to install Kleopatra tool from the internet or from. After installation, we need to click on New Key page. Here I am giving my name and my college mail ID. After that, we need to click on the Protect Generated Key with the passphrase. Click on OK. It will take some time. After that, we need to give passphrase. It is in. We need to give 8 digits. Click on OK. See here, a new open PGP certificate was successfully created. Here we have successfully created. Well, now we need to save the public key. For that, we need to right click, export. Here in the documents, I had already created a folder name public key. Here I am saving. Here I had already saved for demo purpose. Now I am saving again with a different name. Save. After this part, we need to create a revocation key and a secret key backup file. For that, we need to open and right click. First, we need to create backup secret keys. And in this, I had created a separate folder for safe key in the name safe key. Here I had also done for demo purpose, and I am creating another one. Save. Here it is asking for passphrase. We need to give the passphrase which we kept previously. Here I am giving my passphrase. The backup of the secret key was created successfully. Now we need to create a revocation certificate. For that, we need to click on details, generate revocation certificate, and we need to save it on. Here I had created a different folder named revocation key. Here I had already saved, which I had done in demo purpose. Now I am saving again and giving name as some different name. Here again it is asking for passphrase. We need to give the passphrase. Click on OK. See here, certificate successfully created. Click on OK and close. After that, we had successfully created public and private key. We have created revocation key, secret key backup file, and we have stored them safely. Now we need to encrypt a message using this website. For this, we need to open this website. Here we need to write some text message. Here I am writing hi. Here automatically some random code generated here. Like it has done encryption for this. If we share this with our friend, then they can they decrypt this message. Then they can see this message which I have typed here like hi, my name is Mohammed. So for that first we need to send an email. Here I am giving my personal mail ID. Click on OK. Here you can see email sent successfully. For that we need to log into mail ID and see here email has the encryption message has been there. If you want to decrypt with the help of your friend, you need to send this message from starting to the beginning, like from starting dash to ending dash. You need to copy it and send it to your friend with whom you want to decrypt this one. After that, they will use this website for decryption, and after decryption they will see the message, actual message which I have typed here. Thank you.